Evening, guys. Welcome to NFL break number 17. This is a 3-box break. We've got Certified 2021 Elements, and then we've got our Hit Parade box, which you can see is number 90 of 100. I'm going to get that out of the way now, and I'll bring it back at the end. We'll say that's the last. Evening, Ryan. You okay, bud? So we've got our two products. I'll go through the teams first, and then I'll go through what products we've got. Okay, so first up, Daniel, you've got the Chiefs, the Bills, the Ravens, the Packers, the Eagles, and the Lions. Farhad, you got the Bengals and the Texans. Jake, you have got the Bears and the Giants. Mark, you've got the Colts, Cardinals, Broncos, and Seahawks. Michael, you've got the Jets, Cowboys, Patriots, and Saints. O'Kelly, you've got the Panthers and Browns. Peter, buddy, you've got the Dolphins, Titans, Bucks and Chargers. Robert, you've got the Steelers, Washington, Jaguars, Rams, and Ryan Wilkinson bringing us in. You've got the 49ers, the Falcons, the Vikings, and the Raiders. Okay, I didn't see any trades in the chat. I saw a few people asking, but I don't think any were locked in. So if anybody did, shout up. So these two boxes here, we've got 55 cards in total. We're looking for 1 auto signed metal, 3 mem cards, and also some freshman fabric signed cards and various other hits as well. Both of these are lovely products, so looking forward to get going. So in here we're going to have 50 cards, 10 packs, 5 cards in each. Just make a bit of space. Ten packs, empty box. Okay, good luck. Quite a lot of numbered cards in this product as well, which is good. Okay, so first up, we've got for the Texans, Deshaun Watson. Straight in with a... Just going to check what that is. That's one of our mems, so I'll leave that to the end. Then we've got a Christian McCaffrey gold team for the Panthers. For the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Josh Allen. For the Bills. And then we've got our reporter card. Rubbish. The Cowboys got CD Lamb. Our first numbered card. And that is Saquon Barkley. Sleeved up. That is numbered 226 of 249. Nice start for the Giants there. That's going to be for Jake. Boom. What a beautiful looking card that is. Straight in with a Justin Herbert. I've seen these a lot in basketball. The graffiti card. Not numbered. That one's going to be for Peter. Got Miles Sanders. And then for the Saints, Alvin Kamara. Patriots, Damian Harris. Our first rookie hit, numbered as well. Penny Sewell. That is numbered 92 of 399. It's going to go for Daniel. What a nice looking card that is. And for the Bucks, Tom Brady, Dark Horses. For the Chiefs, got a Tyreek Hill. And then a DJ Metcalf. And the reporter. For the Jets, LaMichael Perrin. Next numbered card, Austin Eckler. That is numbered 209 of 299. We've got another dark horse. This time it's numbered. It's our second Christian McCaffrey. The Panthers, that one is numbered 104, 199. Some great graphics on these. DeAndre Hopkins, and for the Raiders, Josh Jacobs. Jeff Okafor. We've got our next memorabilia. We've got a Stars of DeAndre Hopkins. Tua for the Dolphins, and Chase Young for Washington. Jerry Jeudy. Then we've got another Devontae Adams, Mike Evans, and then Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. Jimmy Garoppolo. That's our auto. Then we've got for the Cardinals, Kyler Murray, Stephon Diggs, Joe Mixon for the Bengals, and our reporter. Amari Cooper, the Cowboys. We've got a rookie hit, numbered, of Azeez Ojulari. That one is numbered 187 of 199. That's for Jake. That's a nice numbered rookie. We've got our second graffiti card, this time for Washington, Chase Young. It's going to be for Robert. Dalvin Cook for the Vikings, and for the Jags, a DJ Chark Jr. Okay, last two. Jared Goff, TJ Watt for the Steelers. Sweet. Second graffiti, this time numbered to 75. That's our second Herbert. Got the base and the numbered now. Got nice hits there. That was going to be for Peter. Not sure if you're watching, Pete. Daniel Jones and J.K. Dobbins. Michael Thomas. And for the Texans, Davis Mills. Another numbered rookie hit. That was for Farhad. Number 13 of 149. Then we've got Saquon Barkley for the Giants, seal of approval. Aaron Rodgers for Packers. David Johnson for the Texans. And then okay, so let's start off with our mem. Gonna grab our relics, gonna grab a spacer. Got our base, Jerry Jeudy. Squeeze this bad boy. What is that? New generation for the Chargers. Nice, Josh Palmer. It looks like you've got the... have to find a bigger sleeve. I'll get that sleeved up afterwards. The enclosed authentic memorabilia, non-specific game. So you've got the washing label. Hopefully not from his kecks. Not numbered. Oh, it is numbered, 5 of 5. Beauty. Chargers are doing well this break. Yeah, there you go, Peter. I'll get that sleeved up in a second. Next one up. Behind our Jeff Okuda. Another rookie. That's an auto. Freshman fabrics for the Texans. Davis Mills. There we go. And that is numbered 162 of 349. Farhad. Beautiful looking 3-colour patch. Nice sticker auto. Great looking cards in this. I'm just going to put a sleeve on this other one. Okay, Deshaun Watson. New generation for the Jets. Michael Carter. That was going to be for Michael Davis. Numbered 211 of 299. 2-colour relic there. You can see that. And finally, behind our Jimmy, we've got rookie for the Giants, Azeez Ojulari, numbered 12 of 15. That's some nice low numbered cards in this. For Jake. Simple looking auto. Some great looking cards in that break. Okay, Elements up next. It's 5 cards in total in this. All metal cards. Let's go. One pack. Empty box. Let's grab a spacer. Empty packet. Start at the bottom. First up, we've got a Tony Gonzalez Platinum, numbered 67 of 94. Some weight to that. And that is going to go for Ryan. There you go, bud. Tony Gonzalez. Next up, Chuck Foreman for the Vikings. Sweet, that is an autograph. That's another one for Ryan. Look at that. On card, number 187 of 199. It's a beauty. And next metal card. Larry Fitzgerald. This time it's gold. So it's number 247 of 250. We've got our elements. Sweet. Rookie neon signs for the Ravens of Tylan Wallace. Look at that. Nice for Daniel. It's a beauty. Number 18 of 125. These are two great looking products. Okay, last up. 49ers. Got a Trey Lance. Single relic, 2 colour, and it is numbered 198 of 199. Let's grab a sleeve for that. That's another one for Ryan. Did all right in that box, Ryan. There we go. All right, I'll do a quick recap of the cards and then we'll do the helmet. Quite a lot of to recap there. So we've got Davis Mills for the Texans. Got our rookie of Azeez Ojulari. Austin Eckler, Penny Sewell, Saquon Barkley. Our first Justin Herbert. This one's numbered. It's a 75. Our second base. Got Chase Young. And we got our laundry tag. Done you very proud, mate. For Josh Palmer. I think it's the first time I've ever written one of those. Then we got a nice 3-colour patch there for Davis Mills for the Texans. Got our rookie auto of Azeez Ojulari, Michael Carter patch, Trey Lance patch, and a beautiful neon signs, Tylan Wallace for the Ravens. Got our Larry Fitzgerald. We've got Chuck Foreman for the Vikings, and finally we've got Tony Gonzalez. Beautiful. Great club boxes. Okay. Here comes the big boy. Number 90. All sealed. Let's get this bad boy open. And get it out and reveal it without. And that is Todd Gurley. And that says for the Rams. Todd Gurley also mini helmet. I'll have to double check, but I do think that is for the Rams. I don't know if anyone wants to correct me on that. I'm not somebody I'm familiar with, but by the looks of that, if it is for the Rams, Robert Kane, that looks like it's your helmet, buddy. It's a beauty. All right, guys. Well, that was NFL break number 17. Really enjoyed opening those 2 new products. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining, and I will see you all soon.